In this network marketing training, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can get paid even if people don't end up joining your network marketing opportunity. If this is the first time you see one of my videos, my name is Sunny Vince. I'm the co-founder of the Ninja Networker. And since 2017, we have been helping network marketers from all over the world recruit more people into their network marketing business without actually prospecting them, using social media and internet recruiting strategies, online recruiting strategies. If you're interested in learning how you can exploit the power of social media and online strategies, I highly recommend you join the free online recruiting bootcamp by clicking the link in the description. And it's completely free, and you will learn all the strategies you need to recruit more people into your network marketing business without actually prospecting them. But do this after the end of the video, because I have a very, very important information in the video that I want to share with you, which is how you can actually make money, how you can actually get paid, even if your prospects eventually don't join your business. Okay? I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually possible. So stay with me until the end of the video, because I'm going to be sharing with you the whole strategy. By sharing you this, actually, I want you to understand that you need to build a multiple streams of income online, in general, actually in your life, in your business, but online in this case, because that's how you will end up making more and more and more. And because don't focus just on one stream of income if you can have actually two, or three or four or more, okay? So let's go into this video, into the training, into the core of this video. The first step is when you want to recruit people online, we're talking about online, you need two steps, okay? Basically, the first one is you need to generate a lead, you need to generate a potential prospect, and then second step, you need to convert this lead into a customer or a distributor. Simple, okay? Many people make it complicated, you need to do so many steps. No, it's two: lead generation and conversion. Lead generation, conversion, lead generation, conversion. The first step, the lead generation step, obviously is where you go online and you need to generate prospects. You can do this by using active prospecting strategies. So you go out there and you are the one chasing people online. You are the one making the first step, the first move. So you go on Facebook, you reach out to people, you go on Instagram, you do the same, you can do the same on TikTok, and so on and so on. All the social media platforms out there. Active prospecting takes more work because it's organic, it's not paid, it takes more time, but it's free, okay? Attraction marketing is when you actually have people coming to you, you become the hunted instead of the hunter. You have people chasing you instead of you chasing them. And it's when you actually are becoming an authority. And again, you have people making the first step. So you have more power, if we want to call it like this, in the conversation. You have more authority. Attraction marketing can be, again, organic, free, but this takes a lot of time to build a brand, or to go faster, you need to do paid advertising. This way you can generate leads fast. You just need to invest some money into ad, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, and then you generate leads for your business, okay? Leads, targeted leads in your target market for your business. First step, lead generation. Then, once you have these prospects, you need to find a method to convert them, whether they become a customer or a distributor, okay? And then you can have a funnel to do this. You can do this yourself, so like a messenger funnel, you talk to people in Messenger, you're the one doing it, you get them on a call, and then you convert them on a call. You have an automated presentation that can convert people from prospects to customers or distributors. You have a consultation funnel, a quiz funnel, and that can go on and on. So you have a process that converts your leads into a customer or distributor. If you combine these two steps, this is how you build your network marketing business online. All the rest, of course, is a training about these two steps, okay? I can teach you and make a training on attraction marketing, on active prospecting, on how to build your Facebook brand, your Instagram social account, you're doing YouTube ads, and then how to build a funnel, how to convert people, how to close people, how to do a three-way call. But all actually summarize in two steps: lead generation and conversion, okay? Lead generation and recruiting or getting a customer. This is how you make money in network marketing, right? Of course, then you have the building a team, which is not included in this. It means training and developing a team, duplication, and that's how you make passive income, residual income eventually. But what I want to share with you is how you can make money between these two steps, between lead generation and recruiting. You need to add an additional step in the middle to make money, even if people eventually don't end up joining your business or opportunity. Because the truth is, majority of people will not join your business or will not buy from you. More or less, it's safe to consider that 90% of your prospects that you generate eventually will not end up joining your business or opportunity because it's not the right timing, because they don't have enough money, because they join another opportunity, because they want to do something else, because they will not join your product, they will not buy your product or join your business. So you need to find a way to monetize these people even if they don't join you. And this is where you are able to make money and get paid even if prospects don't join your business. How do you do this? You need something called a front-end offer. Okay, this is how we call it online, or a liquidation offer. Something that you can sell them that is not your product, of course, and something different, and you can make money with that. And even if they don't end up joining, well, you still made money. Or if you're doing advertising, so you're investing money, at least with this front-end offer, you are covering the ad spend. You are breaking even with this front-end offer. So whatever comes after, people joining your business opportunity or buying your products or services, it's pure profit. Okay? This is how you can build a massive business. You can build two streams of income because that's how you can become financially free faster. This is what I learned, by the way, in the free online recruiting bootcamp that you can access after this video by clicking the link in the description. So, what's a front-end offer? My favorite type of front-end offer to sell to people to make the most profit is an information product. Something where you have 100% of the margins if you create it yourself, or if you promote it as an affiliate, so you're an affiliate marketer in this case, you get big commissions because again, it's pure profit. They don't have overhead costs. Information product can be an ebook, can be a webinar, a course, coaching, whatever it is, something that is, again, information is not physical, it's a service provided that you can sell to your prospects to make money, even if eventually they don't join your business. So let's imagine you're in the health and wellness company. You promote a health and wellness network marketing company. What you want to do is find a front-end product, an information product, or create it yourself to sell to people that don't join eventually. Can be, again, an ebook on how to stay healthy, how to stay fit, how to have abs in 6 weeks. Can be a coaching program that shows this. Can be a course, a training, a webinar, something paid that you can create, or you can become an affiliate to this, and then people maybe don't join your product, your company, or don't buy your products, but maybe they buy this front-end product and you make money. Same if you are in the trading, financial space, crypto space, network marketing company in this field, you can, before getting people to buy from you and joining your company, you can sell them a course on actually how to make money with crypto, or an ebook, or a coaching program that other people sell, and you can get a commission. Okay, you can find this online. There are so many websites like ClickBank or other programs. Even if you wanna talk to people already interested in the network marketing space, before getting into your company, you can first sell them a training on how to recruit people online by creating it yourself if you're an expert, or partnering up with other companies that offer affiliate commissions. And that's also what I do. And if you check out the link in the description, you can see how this is done exactly step by step. So what I recommend you do 100% is finding a way to make money even if people don't join your product, don't buy your products or join your business company, by adding a front-end offer between the lead generation step and the conversion step. Okay? This is the summary of this video. Again, if you want to know more, first of all, subscribe to this channel because I put out videos on a consistent basis on how to recruit people in your network marketing business online. And second step, click the link in the description right now and join the free online recruiting bootcamp. For this video, it's all. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and have a great rest of your day. Bye from Sunny Meets.